What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Tia Mercy.
And I'm Naya.
And we are here with a unpopular opinion mukbang video about your favorites, celebrities, well-known people.
Just people in general.
Yeah, whatever. So here I got me some king crab and some corn, potatoes, eggs, and all that good stuff. And I stole some of her rice.
And I have salmon steak and shrimp fries.
From Kiku. And this is from Juicy Crab, y'all. I didn't make this, I'm not gonna lie. So, first unpopular opinion. I don't like Dream Doll.
Don't either.
Talk to me nice. Yeah, I don't like Dream Doll. I feel like she's very overhyped.
I don't even think she's that hype though. She just be whining to me.
You gotta see her on Instagram.
She's not a rapper. But
I
that's
mean,
what most
pretty
girls. Yeah, she is. But that's what most girls, well, most rappers do today. They all sound the same. Yeah. Except for my girl Cash Doll, Nicki Minaj and Cardi B.
I love Cash Doll.
Ooh, and Cayenne. She's really underrated. And Young M.A.
What song? Oh, did you hear the new Young M.A. song?
With Bernice in it.
Mm-hmm.
I heard it. Who's next?
Who's the other one? Who about you?
Cayenne, she just New York rapper, but she's like fire.
I'm probably playing.
I don't like her.
I don't like Kanye West.
Don't either. But I feel like that's a popular opinion now. Because a lot of people are getting turned off by it.
No, they're saying that because of his racist comments. I didn't like him before that. I liked him back in the day.
Yeah.
With that other, what's that song?
I'm sorry. As soon as he got with Kim K, that's when I was a no-go.
I like Kim K.
My unpopular opinion. I don't like the Kardashians.
I like them.
I like their work mentality. They get to work.
I like their outfit.
But I feel like they get more credit than people who actually out here working, going hard for theirs. Oh yeah, the outfits are crazy.
I can understand that.
And then you see the comments she just came out with talking about how the Fashion Nova is stealing designs from her husband and yada yada yada. But I'm like, bitch, you've been stealing black culture, so pot calling the kettle black.
I don't like 6ix9ine. I feel like all his music, he sounds like he's stressed the fuck out.
I don't like him, period, because he was something he's not.
He raps too hard. Like,
I don't like Tekashi, and I feel like the only reason he won that award is because he died. Sorry, not sorry. What's his name? XCS son.
I like that song like,
Never heard of it.
ooh, I feeling like I can't let you go.
Oh no, that's a super suicide song.
You the
And a
son.
crazy ass song.
I like the back. I mean the beat.
That's a crazy ass song. That shit was not cute.
So do you feel like he really died, or do you feel like he?
Yeah, but I feel like the only reason he's so hyped is because he died. His music was trash.
Another popular opinion, Nicki Minaj is no, Cardi B's better than Nicki Minaj.
That's just her opinion.
Come for me, the barbs.
Cause we gonna come.
I mean, I like Nicki, but I still think.
Girl, she was at the Nicki concert jamming, but now that Cardi B on the scene,
My
it's
nigga,
a switch
that was like
up.
5 years
It's a
ago.
switch up.
That was like 5 years
It's
ago.
a switch up. It was 2. Almost 3.
Yeah. Let me try this boom boom sauce they gave me.
That shit look nuts.
It tastes like mustard, like honey mustard.
I don't know.
Oh. That was nasty. Okay. What's another one I have? I like Donald Trump. Not as fun.
I was so about to cut you in the video. I don't like Barack Obama. That's a super unpopular opinion.
Bitch, you was just saying not too long ago, I want Barack Obama. I'ma marry me a man like Barack Obama.
That was what? 4 years ago.
No,
but
it
I
wasn't.
found out. Yes, it was. Yes, it was. Because I found out a lot.
Like what?
He's just a puppet. And he's not for the people. So.
No. I don't know about that one.
He destroyed Libya.
Who's that?
See.
You said
Libya.
Oh. That's
But a lot of people, like,
I can't crap and nasty.
they just think because he's a black president that he's for us. He's not.
Okay, what about his wife?
I mean, she cool. She don't really bother me. I just don't like what she did with that school lunch. They took out the rich folks line at school.
Well,
Girl, we used to have a line where you can buy hot wings, pizza, cheese fries, chili cheese fries. And when she came out with that little health initiative, that shit was garbage.
y'all call it the rich folk line?
Because you had to have money.
The a la carte.
No, because a la carte means is you sell individual things.
But that's
They
what
had
I always
a la
call
carte.
a la carte. In my experience. I think Cassie deserved a lot more credit than she got.
No, the fuck she don't.
Yes, she don't.
The name of Bob Cassie had. I'll wait. Except for
Baby,
me
tell
and
me
you.
if you like it.
And that
I got
was
a long way to
about-
go. But you wanna love me. You want me?
That's two songs. That's 2 songs, girl. 2. She don't.
I don't like Lil Wayne.
I like the old Lil Wayne. He's.
I don't like Tyga.
Oh no.
I don't like J. Cole.
You gotta fight me. J. Cole is one of the most conscious rappers we have out here.
I can't get into him.
Because you don't understand the message. You just don't understand the message.
Yeah, maybe that might be it.
Or you haven't took the time out to, like, listen to him. Every time I play him, like, turn that shit on. And he's really a dope rapper.
Ooh, God. We gotta make a,
I don't like Drake.
I don't like Drake either like that.
That is, I don't see why he's so hype.
Hold on, we gotta make a, Birdman was never hot to me.
Girl, back in the day, Birdman was the shit.
All that, cause I'm a Birdman. Like, I'm not with it. I need some scissors. Lloyd, I never fucked with Lloyd.
Lloyd had bops, bitch. I don't know where you was at during childhood, but Lloyd had bops. Meet me on the south side. Ooh, and Players Player. Girl.
And what?
Players Prayer. Those are my songs.
Players what?
Prayer. You never heard that song?
I don't like Lil Thug, Young Thug.
Man, Young Thug. If you're not from Atlanta, you don't understand the old Young Thug. Oh my God. That shit used to be like rich kids. That shit was so good back then. But now he's commercial, like most rappers.
But I like Lil Kid. Cause I got that money fetish, yeah. Money fetish. My favorite young rapper is Gunna and Lil Baby.
I like Lil Baby. But I love J. Cole and Kendrick Lamar
I'm not a fan of him.
and Nick Grant. If you don't know him, check him out.
I'm not a fan of Kendrick Lamar.
So you just like mumble bullshit, basically.
No,
Sum it up
I
with no
mean-
messages.
I mean, I'm more of like not into like lyrics. I'm more of into like listening to the beat. Like I listen to music because the beat. Like I'll go in the car and turn the music up and blast it just to hear the beat because
Oh, I
I'm a
know.
beat person. I like to hear the vibe. I mean, I like to feel the vibration.
But Kendrick Lamar and J. Cole have really awesome beats and really awesome music. I mean, lyrics to go with them.
I mean, I like loyalty. I can't even open this the way I want to.
Bitch, that's not even the best song he has. I like High Power. That's my favorite song.
I haven't heard it. What's another one? Who's another one? Who's another one? I think Bernice Burgos needs to find a career.
Bitch, then that's me. All these
I'm just saying,
Instagram
like,
girls need to find a career though.
she don't have no type. She don't have any type of online business or nothing. Bitch, you just think you're gonna be that bad for the rest of your life. I hope you're saving. If she's saving, then okay, then yeah, maybe. But
She don't need to be worried about being that bad for her life because they got surgery now. And just how she got it then, she can get it again. And just like Kim K and them gonna continue to get it, she is too. But my thing is, those kind of careers and lifestyles don't last forever. You at one point you're gonna stop being hot, so you need to build off that. Take the opportunity you have. She do have a line.
what is it?
Bold and beautiful. It's like a pajama line. But bitch, I would be starting me a restaurant, a salon, buying real estate. But we don't really know what she can have real estate out here. She can be in multiple business. She can have to invest her money. There's just something we don't know.
That's true.
But Drea, that bitch.
I don't know.
That bitch took that money. I was like, it made me some coins. Ooh, and I love Super. I love her. That girl, she popping.
I do not want this.
Another unpopular opinion. I'm not a big fan of Tiffany Haddish. Comedy. I like her as a person.
Yeah, I'm not either.
She's going to get stuck in that ratchet girl role for the rest of her career. Nobody's going to take her serious because she don't take herself serious.
After night school, it was like, wow.
I didn't watch it,
You want this?
but I believe you.
Not too much. And I'm done, y'all. I get full fast.
And I always get her leftovers.
I get full really fast. Let me wash my hands off real fast. And stand back.
I hate BET. Everything about them. I hate BET.
I mean, I don't too much care for TV, so.
But I feel like Black entertainment TV, you should be the, I don't want to say that. You should be the main one trying to uplift and put on empowering Black people and Black TV shows, but you don't. You refuse to, actually. And then they tried my girl Nicki Minaj, so that was really like,
Yeah, they did.
they really tried. Like, whoever running this fucking Twitter account.
They're probably fired by now with the backlash from that. But that got to be somebody in a higher place to even feel like it's okay to put some shit like that out there. Or somebody
No,
else's
because
company.
they have people running their social media. But still.
But they had to get approval from somebody to put some shit like that. But did they post it or did they retweet it?
They posted it. Try my girl like that.
She said she don't need BET and Lil Wayne don't need that shit, so what's good?
You know how many ratings there is? No matter. Don't get me wrong. I love Cardi B. Cardi B is my bitch. But I love Nicki Minaj. And Nicki Minaj is more marketable to children. She's more marketable to white people.
Why do you feel like she's more marketable to children?
Because she is. Because Cardi B make very vulgar songs. Even though Nicki Minaj don't lie, she make vulgar songs. She can switch it up.
If Cardi B wanted to switch it up, she can. But Nicki Minaj walks around taking photo shoots with pasties on her nipples and fucking thongs, and that's marketable to children. No.
But what else?
Okay, guys, that's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching our mukbang video. If you want more, let me know. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, we are out this.